morning, good morning, students. As we all know that the lockdown have further extended till 30th April, and the school will remain closed till 10th June. So, keeping these things in mind, we have already started online classes for you all, and we hope to benefit the students through the classes. So, my dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter from geography that deals with water resources. We will start this chapter by the saying, water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. This means that when you are within the ocean, you have water everywhere, but you cannot drink that water. So, students, when you look at the world scenario, 3/4 of the world is covered with water and only 1/4 is land. That means when you look at the world map, you can see that 70% of the world is covered with water and only the 30% is covered by land. So out of that, so to make you all clear, if we will take that 70% as 100%, so out of that 100%, 76.5% of water lies within the ocean, and out of that only 22.5% we get as fresh water, and from this 2.5% also 70% of fresh water are trapped in ice caps, and only the 30% of water are underneath the ground, that is, we can say groundwater. This water is only water that we can use. So next point is that India gets 40% of global rain and ranks 133rd in water availability per person per annum. So however, India is trying to improve the ranking by various other water harvesting technique that we are going to discuss later on. So total renewable water resources of India are estimated at 1,897 square kilometer per annum. So, moving on, in the next part we will discuss about why there is water scarcity in the world, as we have 70% of water covered by 70% of world covered by water. So, so number two is excessive use of water. Excessive use of water in industrialization and urbanization for agricultural purposes. What there is due to increase in the population, the demand of water is increasing, and there is excessive use of water in various sectors. So you have so because of this also what happens, this water are overexploited by the people. So you have groundwater pump that has established that exerts groundwater, creating graze hole in the most of the areas. So most of the region like Punjab, Haryana areas are graze hole areas. That means graze hole means that the groundwater table has been gone down. So why there is such a situation? That means the water table areas have gone deep, so you have water scarcity. You have water scarcity not only in the area where there is rainfall deposit, but also in the areas you have abundant rainfall is mainly and predominantly due to human intervention. So all this excessive overexploitation of water and excessive use of water is only due to human intervention. So you have large population, since people is using more water, and the demand of water is more, so there is more use in domestic and agricultural activities also, and all these activities uh, accumulates for the scarcity of water even in the water abundant areas. So because of all these reasons, so where in those areas where water is available in abundant, in those areas also what happens, due to all these things, the problem of water scarcity arises. So the next point which explains why there is water scarcity in the world is water stress. Water stress. Now, according to the Falkenmark, a Swedish expert, water stress occurs when water availability is between 1000 and 1600 cubic meter per person per year. Now, when that kind of situation come, the water stress may occur, which can lead to water scarcity in the world. So this was said by one of the pioneer, the Falkenmark, who have calculated